Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import blocks. Once you download the blocks that I shared, you can import them to this folder for them to appear in your Sketchware. So open your file manager. You can use any file manager for this, which is able to view hidden files. So I'm using the default Google file manager. All you have to do is enable hidden files. So go to settings, here enable show hidden files. Once you are done enabling that, go back, go to internal storage, then here find .sketchware folder, open it, go to resources, then block. So once you're in block, you can extract your blocks here and they'll appear in Sketchware. So let's just delete all the blocks and download my blocks, then I'll show you how to extract them here. So all the blocks that I use, I shared them on today's link, including the dynamic links. I've gotten a number of people hitting me up saying they need the dynamic links blocks I use. I added them. They're among the blocks that I just uploaded in the earlier link. So let's go to my YouTube channel and I'll guide you through to download the blocks and import them. So here we are on YouTube, and this is a post I made earlier. So to download the blocks, simply go to description, then we're going to go to my blog, then here just scroll down and download the latest blocks. So there's this one, this is the earlier block, and then the second one there is the one we need. So click on the second download here, then it should open Mega and you can download from Mega. Accept this, then download. If you want, you can open with the app if you've got the Mega app, but if you don't have, simply click on download and it will download in your browser. Then save file, and there we go, it's done. So you're going to open your file manager. I'm going to use the Achiever for this, and I'll go to downloads folder. In downloads folder, I'll look for the zip I just downloaded. So look for CRN SK blocks. There we go. So we are going to extract this. Just click on it and say extract. Now we have to navigate back to .sketchware folder, resources, block, and extract here. So you see now that the blocks have been extracted to .sketchware, resources, block folder. Here they are. So once you're done extracting here, simply open your Sketchware and you should be able to see your blocks there. So let's quickly open Sketchware. Open any project. Then let's go to one create. Then let's see the blocks. Okay, so there we go. Our blocks have been imported successfully.